Hi, my name is Gargi. I am faculty Fashion Business Management course at IIAD. With me today I have one of my students from FBM. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Gunika. Hello everyone, I'm Adya Sharma.
Hi, my name is Bhargavi Mahanta.
Hi everyone, my name is Mishka Malhotra.
And I'm from the second year.
Undergrad student.
Fashion Business Management at IIAD.
I love what you're wearing, Bhargavi. What inspired your look today?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am wearing my traditional attire and I'm from Assam.
So tell me something, Gunika, that after completing your 12th, why did you opt for Fashion Business Management?
So the reason why I opted for Fashion Business Management is because the other courses out there, which are fashion design, fashion styling or communication, just focus on one segment of fashion. So there was not a course out there that focused from the end-to-end operations of fashion. Then I came across IIAD, and through that I came across FBM.
So I was very sure of the fact that I did not want to go entirely design for my undergrad. So I did some research and I got to know that there exists a course that is called Fashion Business Management. And I thought that was the right cusp for me to explore.
Me in the fashion industry, and with the help of my friends who were in the design industry as well, I came across IIAD, which offered a course that I had not yet seen anywhere but only in international fashion universities. So when I read about the course and I saw the different modules that were here and how it's going to allow me to make a combination of fashion and business, which has always been something of interest.
What did you think about Fashion Business Management while you were enrolling, and has your perspective changed?
Yes. So when I was enrolling at IIAD, I thought Fashion Business Management would be about the glamorous industry of fashion and it would be on the surface level of fashion. But when I studied, so I'm in my second year now, so I've got to know that fashion focuses on operations, branding, marketing, sourcing, merchandising, retailing. From concept to cart, we've studied everything.
So for me, I always thought that it would be something, what happens after the clothes are designed, the production is done. But it's basically a process that starts before the clothes are even designed. What exactly goes into a whole house, into the designer's house, and how you are involved in every process and the kind of people that are working there, the organization and structure. Fashion business management is basically everything. Designing, it's there. Talking to people, interacting with people, promotion, it's possibly everything that you can think of, keeping every intricacy in mind.
Tell us more about your research, which you did, which finally made you choose IIAD.
For me, I got to know about IIAD through word of mouth. My senior studies at IIAD and she introduced me to IIAD and FBM.
So I got to know about IIAD through a friend who forwarded the email that was sent to her. And upon a bit more research, I found out that IIAD offers FBM. I contacted a few of my friends who are in Delhi. So they visited the campus, they were very pleased, and they also interacted with the students who were studying at IIAD at that point of time. And one thing I really got to know is that IIAD offers great industry exposure, which was a plus point for me because I knew that when I go off to college, I want to network well with people. That's how I ended up here.
So if you had to mention any 3 things that you were hoping to learn from this course, what were they, and have that really been met at your expectations?
Okay, so one of the things that I did not hope for was the field visits and the industry opportunities that IIAD would give me. Our faculty has connections and our college has connections, which have really opened avenues for us students.
So when I joined the institute, I wasn't very sure of how my interaction with the faculty would be like. Because having been come from schools, not anyone is a part of the design industry or the fashion industry. So I did not quite know what to expect in terms of faculty. But as and when I came and I saw the kind of way everyone's involved, the students, the faculty, now everyone wants to be completely with you throughout your journey and help you with it, was something that I was not expecting. In every step of the way, there were feedback forms coming in and how they wanted to know what we are thinking throughout the way. That was something I was not expecting at all. And those feedbacks were actually being accounted for. Every teacher wanted to know how they can better themselves or what are the different strategies they can take to make this course what it is. Passion would be the cross collaborations with different departments within the university. That was not something I was expecting. I thought, every department would be different, but the cross collaborations with communication design and fashion design is something that's been very much helpful for all of us.
Since we all have studied from CBSE mostly, I was thinking that there will be a lot of books and courses given to us in written form, and we have to read that out every day. We have to learn that. A lot of cramming will be involved because it's business and how we have studied business studies in 11th grade. But it was never like that. The reality turned out to be great, and we actually studied from projects.
The industry exposure at IIED has been of great help for me. Personally, because every time we finish up with a project, there are a lot of people who come and visit us and look at our work. We get to interact with them, we also get to show them what we've worked on, and likewise we keep building new connections and thereby networking with more and more people.
As and when we were done with our projects, we would have sort of a small industry meetup right after it was done. We used to put up our work on the process board. Whichever faculty was in charge of that particular project would invite different people from the industry, and there would be this whole interaction. It wouldn't feel like a jury, it would feel like more like a meetup with different people from the industry. And
the very first one being that I did not know what to expect. I thought IIED was going to be all business, fashion at the same time, but I come from a humanities background. So I thought that would be a little challenging for me, but the way the entire situation was handled by the entire faculty, even though I did not know the E of economics, right now I can say fair and share that I know plenty of content that helps me do well in my exams and my projects. The assistance provided has been great. Fashion business management. It is truly a multifaceted discipline. I have thus far learned about retail, merchandising, sourcing, the back-end operations of big brands like H&M and Zara, and I've also worked with Decathlon for 6 months. After my internship, when I came back to college, I realized I knew so much more and I could relate so much more to what the teacher was actually teaching. So that really kind of helped me in actually grasping the content that was being taught in class.
One of the main things about IIED is the way they want to be involved with you, with everything that you're doing, be it in terms of placements or internships, or be it, something you're professionally doing yourself and something the college is not involved. They want to be there for you. They want to be there within every step. They want to help you, and that's something that is very much commendable, because usually in universities you don't see professors or the departments caring that much. But here there has been so much involvement that you're not really feeling scared or anxious. You have your faculty or even the students to help you with.
So tell me, how confident are you when you see that now you're in your second year and you're approaching your graduation? How confident do you feel?
At the end of the second year, after doing everything, after all the field visits, all the industry interviews and everything, I feel I'm industry ready, not only because of the projects and the faculty and the confidence that the college instills in us, but also because of many other reasons. Like, not just our faculty teaches us, we have other people from the college also teaching us. We have other courses coming into our course, like fashion design and fashion business sometimes work together.
I feel I'm pretty happy and ready at the same time. I'm very grateful that I am at IIED, the industry opportunities that I see coming at the moment.
So how does IIED assist in placements and internships?
I must say that the faculty that we have here in IIED, a great help. They are directly coming from industry and they have a lot of knowledge about where to contact and who can we meet in person. So that will be something that I can say is something very standing out from other colleges. Faculty make sure that every single person is placed by the time.
So last question to you, Mishka. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now after completing this course?
5 years from now on, I hope I'm done with my postgrad. Something that I want to do is to start my own PR company. I did an internship in my first year with a PR-based agency, Stanley Communications, and I was very much happy with how I worked there. After I completed my internship, they wanted me to continue working with them. So if that could be something I can do in the near future, then I'm all set.
Great. Thank you so much for your time. Wishing you good luck.